Hello, this is Eric Miscoll with EMSNOW here at SMTAi International, Day 2 in lovely Rosemont, Illinois. Caught this character walking the floor, and so I thought we might catch up. This is Jim Hall with ITM Consulting in the house. Welcome.
Hi, everybody.
Now, you're performing at the, not here on the show floor or here on the camera, but you're presenting, you did a workshop, and you tell us what your activities are.
Phil Zarro, my partner, and I from ITM Consulting did an all-day workshop on defect analysis and troubleshooting, where we that was an all-day professional development workshop on Monday, and now I'm teaching the SMTAi Process Engineering Certification Program, which runs 3 days. My students are almost done and ready to start their exams.
When's the exam?
It starts at 3 o'clock this afternoon and then goes all day tomorrow.
Ooh, okay.
It's a serious exam. It's hard, but most people pass.
Okay. So just out of curiosity, so if they fail, is that a reflection on their efforts or your teaching?
Probably both. Probably both.
Yeah, probably, right? So listen, I wanted to take the time to really kind of highlight kind of what ITM Consulting does. You guys have been around and are well known in the industry for many, many years. You're like celebrities. You're like the Kardashians when you walk the floor out here, right? People get their cameras out. And so tell us about ITM and kind of what you guys are providing and what you're doing for the industry, other than just the workshop, obviously.
Sure. We provide a very complete variety of consulting services to help people make more money, to be more efficient. Some of that is problem solving, coming in and helping people have problems and so forth. Training, basic training of the fundamentals to bring their staff and technical people up to speed. Advanced technologies, things that are new that they're thinking of implementing or in the process of implementing. General improvement, auditing their facility, making recommendations. I'm a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt, so I can do efficiency analysis on productivity, waste, and the Lean continuous improvement type of programs. We can help with legal issues, due diligence, patent issues, expert witness type of things. But generally helping people with our vast, we have 4 or 5 people work with us, right. And I think we have like 200 years of experience and a huge network. So we can go in and help people in many, many different ways, bringing in a lot of information, knowledge, connections, networking that an individual company or an individual wouldn't have on their own.
Yeah. And you do this globally, so even though you all are here in the United States, it's
Absolutely.
a global industry, global services. Right?
Certainly.
So,
do a lot of work. I've been in Mexico with a certification and other programs. I may be going to the Far East this fall. Phil goes to the Far East, and to some extent to Europe.
Okay. So is there anything that's hot right now? I mean, from what you're seeing that you're being asked to help with, not to give away any trade secrets, but I mean just kind of general themes about what do you think?
Here's a simple one. LED, light bulbs.
Yeah.
Light bulbs are not light bulbs anymore. Right, they're a little electronic circuit. So you have companies that made light bulbs that all of a sudden have to make electronics. So they need to start from the ground up and go to a very high level of electronic manufacturing, the details of LEDs. We can come in and help them do that. Okay. Because we can supply the basic understanding of the general process and the specifics, the details, the high level stuff that's necessary to produce a quality LED product.
All right. Good. See, that's a good example. Thank you for that. So I've always wanted to know between, I know you and Phil Mosa, I've met the rest of your team. Who's the really smart one? Who really is?
Dr. Ron Lasky. He's a professor at Dartmouth College. It's their School of Engineering at Dartmouth College. He's retired from lifetime employment at IBM.
Right.
He's worked in the materials and so forth, and has been at Dartmouth now for 12 or 13 years.
Okay.
Yeah. And he's the one who developed the Lean Six Sigma program, where I became an instructor and so forth.
Okay. You know, it's funny because Phil would have given the same answer, right?
It's pretty easy.
It's pretty easy. Yeah,
you know,
you guys aren't that
the
smart.
The doctor and the professor at Dartmouth part make it pretty straightforward.
That kind of underscores it. Yeah. Well, listen, no, I appreciate you taking time. You know, our plan is to, you know, we'll do some more of this in the future because, you know, we're big fans of the work that you do.
Thank
and you know, I think for our audience, this is all very relevant. So
I hope so. I hope to see some of you and we can help you. You know, we've got a lot of experience. We enjoy doing it. We enjoy working with people. We know a lot of people. We can help you in many different ways.
Yeah, and at the end of the day, you're good guys, and you're good to be around, and you're easy to work with. So that's.
I'll acquiesce to your knowledge.
Okay.
Wisdom.
Done. So thank you again.
All right.
Jim, great to see you.
To see
Good
you.
luck with the students this afternoon.
Thank you.